Hello, class 4 students. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. I am your English grammar teacher, Sila. Today, we are going to start your 18th chapter, which is direct and indirect speech. So, let's get started. Read the following sentences. पहला sentence देखिए. Rahul said, I am not well today. Second sentence देखिए. Rahul said that he was not well that today. He was not well that day. These two sentences illustrate the two ways in which we may report the words of a speaker. Note, in sentence 1, said is called the reporting verb and I am not well today is called the reported speech. In the sentence 1, we have given the exact words used by the speaker. This is called direct speech or narration. In sentence 2, we have not given the exact words of the speaker but only the substance of what he said. This is called indirect speech of narration. Some rules are, पहला rule देखिए, the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. Second rule देखिए, the first word of the reported speech begins with a capital letter. Third rule है, the comma is placed after the reporting verb. From sentence 2, we learn that in indirect speech, A. The reported words are not placed within inverted commas. B. No comma is placed after said. C. The reported speech is introduced by conjunction that. D. The verb is changed to was. The tense of the verb in the reported speech is changed from the present to the past. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. Rule 1. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. Direct. The teacher says the class is going for picnic on Monday. Indirect. The teacher says that the class is going for picnic on Monday. Direct. She will say lunch is ready. Indirect. She will say that lunch is ready. Direct. He will say Nishant was in the room. Indirect. He will say that Nishant was in the room. Rule 2. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, these tense in the reported speech is changed into a corresponding past tense. Is, am, are into was there. Was were into had been. Has have into had into no change. Simple present into simple past into past perfect into no change. We shall into would, can into could, may into might, would, should, might into no change, could, ought to, used to into no change. Examples. पहला एग्जाम्पल देखिए. Ram said Suresh is a good boy. Ram said that Suresh was a good boy. Second देखिए. He said she will be quite happy. He said that she would be quite happy. Third देखिए. The teacher said you are very intelligent. The teacher said I was very intelligent. Fourth देखिए. She said Sneha went to Goa. She said that Sneha had gone to Goa. Rules for the change of pronouns and possessive adjectives. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first person are changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. पहला देखिए. I said first person. I go for a walk with वन पर्सन, माई फादर फर्स्ट पर्सन। यहां पर आप इसे लिख सकते हैं आई सेड दैट आई वेंट फॉर अ वॉक विथ माई फादर। सेकेंड देखिए, यू सेड सेकेंड पर्सन, आई गो फॉर अ वॉक माई मदर। अब यहां पर आप लिख सकते हैं इसको, यू सेड दैट यू वेंट फॉर अ वॉक विथ योर मदर। थर्ड देखिए, शी सेड सेकेंड पर्सन, आई गो फॉर अ वॉक विथ माई मदर। She said that she went for a walk with her mother. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the second person are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. If the reporting verb said is followed by an object, it is usually changed into told. The verb told is not followed by the preposition to. Rahul said to me, first person, your sister is waiting for you. Your and you यहाँ पर भी second person है. Rahul told me that my sister was waiting for me. Rahul said to him, your sister is waiting for you. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं, Rahul told him that his sister was waiting for him. Expressions of time and place in direct speech. In indirect speech, while changing the direct speech into the indirect speech, the following expressions denoting nearness of time or place are placed by corresponding expressions denoting remoteness or distance if the reporting verb is in the past tense. यहाँ पर आपको कॉलम्स दिए गए हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच के। आइए देखिए, आई ही शी, these those, we they, now then, you he she, this that, here there, ago before, today that day, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the next day, last week the previous week, next week the following week. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच का डिफरेंस समझ में आया होगा, उनका मतलब समझ में आया होगा। आइए अब हम एक्सरसाइजेस डिस्कस करते हैं। पहला है आपका सेक्शन ए, टिक द राइट ऑप्शन। पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए, वी मे रिपोर्ट द वर्ड्स स्पोकन बाय अ स्पीकर इन। ऑप्शन से आपके 3 वेज, 4 वेज, 2 वेज। तो यहां पर आपका आंसर होगा 2 वेज, आपका थर्ड ऑप्शन। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन देखिए, द वे इन विच द वर्ड्स ऑफ अ स्पीकर आर रिपोर्टेड इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन से आपके राउंड अबाउट स्पीच, डायरेक्ट स्पीच, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। तो यहां पर आपको आपका आंसर जो होगा वो होगा आपका थर्ड ऑप्शन, इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। इसी तरीके से बाकी के आप अपने आप करेंगे। आइए देखिए सेक्शन बी, चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच। यहाँ पर आपको कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, उन्हें आपको इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करना है। पहला देखिए, द ऑफिसर सेड टू मी आई एम गोइंग टू सी माई ब्रदर। यहां पर आप इसे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में चेंज करके इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, द ऑफिसर टोल्ड दैट ही इज गोइंग टू सी माई ब्रदर। सेकेंड देखिए, शी सेड टू हिम आई कैन नॉट टीच यू। अब यहां पर आप लिख सकते हैं इसे, शी टोल्ड हिम दैट शी कैन नॉट टीच हिम। थर्ड देखिए, कमल सेड टू एकता वी विल गो टू शिमला। यहां पर आप लिख सकते हैं, कमल टोल्ड एकता दैट दे विल गो टू शिमला। इसी तरीके से बाकी के आप अपने आप करेंगे। सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच समझ में आए होंगे। एक्सरसाइज हम लोग ने डिस्कस की है, बाकी के आप अपने आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। वील मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। टिल देन बाय स्टूडेंट्स।